What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I'm sharing with you guys a crazy color combination on some box braids. We are doing half black, half rainbow. And we got the inspo from a pic that was floating around on Instagram. It was very similar to what I'm gonna do, but the girl had tribal braids. And so my client brought it to me and was like, oh my God, like we should recreate this with box braids. And I was like, sis, we should. And she's definitely one of the few people I know that can like pull off a look like this. She just has a bomb swag to her. So I was super excited to do this. Now I've used this client in a bunch of my videos before, showing off my grip game, but her hair has literally grown so much that these were so much easier to do. So yeah, I'm super excited for her. She's like trying to grow out her little TWA or whatever. And yeah. So I was super excited because this was like the day before my graduation and I had my nails done and I was going to be like, y'all, look, I got my nails done. But baby, I'm so damn ashy today. Like, y'all, when I tell you guys, I put on lotion, I swear I do. I think it's just from washing hair or like washing my hands so much that like I'm always ashy. So I thought it was hella funny. But yes, I graduated school already and I'm so excited just to be able to do more with my channel now. So look out because your girl's going to be posting back to back. I literally have no excuse now. So the rainbow hair that I'm using in this video, I actually purchased off of Amazon, and I'm going to put a link in the bio. If you guys look on Amazon, there's so many different shades of rainbow, but I like this one a lot. And so yeah, we decided to go with this different color blend. And I will say that this hair was extremely hard to braid with. One, because it didn't really match the texture of her hair. And also, if you guys have ever bought colored hair like this, that comes from like China, the texture of it is not like Canucklon hair. I'm not really sure what the like what it's made out of, but it has a very spongy texture to it, so it's very hard to blend in your client's hair to it, and it's just really slippery on your fingers. So that was definitely a challenge for me. Well, mainly since her hair was short, like trying to blend her ends in was really challenging. And she was like, I don't care, but the perfectionist in me is like, sis, I'm not letting you walk around with like little hairs poking out of your braids. So that was definitely a challenge for me. But when approaching this style, basically I am just going to stop at halfway. So you guys can see I did 2 black and 2 rainbow. And yeah, I'm just basically gonna follow that same pattern along the whole head of her hair. But look how beautiful this rainbow color is. I love the way that the colors mesh together. And yeah, I just think that this is going to be a fire look. So I just wanted to clear something up because there was a little confusion on my last video where I used colored hair. I know some of you guys went to purchase some of that hair and you're like, do I order 1 pack? Do I order 2 packs? So if you order 1 pack of hair from these vendors, it typically has 5 bags of hair in it. So 1 pack would be equal to 5 bags of hair. So when I said that I used 2 packs, it's because 2 packs is 10 bags of hair. And I think for my last video, I used about 7. For her, I think I only used about 4. So yes, when you guys see in the description section, if I say like I use 1 or 2 packs, it's really because, like I said, 1 order would be 5 packs of hair. So every company is a little different. It could vary. So you want to make sure you look at that in the description section when you're purchasing on Amazon. But yeah, I know some people were like, this really only took 1 pack of hair or 2 packs of hair. So that kind of just clears that up. And then the expressions hair, I believe I used 2 packs of this as well. And I always cut that in half and feather it. Y'all, it was so funny. I had to get my hair dyed for graduation, but I was literally in the middle of recording this video and I was like, we're gonna have to do a hair train up in here. So basically I was dyeing my hair back to black because y'all, for my graduation I had 26 inches of hair, baby. I did not come to play. So I wanted my natural hair to blend in with the weave, and I didn't want the weave to be purple because my dress was like a burgundy color, and I was just like, it's just doing a little too much. So my friend Jill here stepped in and was like, I can like do your hair while you're doing her hair. So I just threw this clip in here because it was so funny. So basically, yeah, I'm braiding my client's hair down and getting my hair dyed. So yes, guys, this is what the braids look like. We're definitely not done. I still had to dip them and put beads on them, but they're already so fire. I just knew that like once we put the beads on, it was really gonna set it off. So we ended up finishing this at my house because we were already supposed to be out of school like 30 minutes ago. So yeah, we just decided to take it there and put the beads on. If you haven't already invested in a kettle to dip hair, y'all, literally it is the best investment I have ever made. I linked the one that I have in the description section, and this one is perfect. It heats up super quick. A long time ago, a subscriber had told me, they were like, you should get a kettle, because I was dipping hair with a pot, you know, the old school way. And y'all, it's literally a game changer. It's so quick and just so much better. So yeah, these beads, I believe she got them at a beauty supply by her house, and we started off only putting 3 on each one because we didn't know how many we would have, but we definitely answered up to like 5 beads just because we wanted them to fall up a little bit higher. But y'all, this literally like set the braids off. Okay, they were cute before, but they were cute with the beads. So this is hecka annoying. Like, I used to hate beading hair, and so it's just really tedious. But like I said, for this style, like, this was definitely a game changer. So yeah, guys, this here is the finished look. They turned out so bomb. I remember we walked to Ulta this day, and literally people were stopping her on the street like, girl, you look so bomb. And yeah, like I said, she's one of the few people I know that can pull this off, because baby, me, I would have been looking like a whole clown. So yeah, I'm trying to do more creative stuff on my channel, things that you won't typically see on other channels. So if you guys have suggestions, drop them in the comment section below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will catch you guys in my next video. What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?